Assalamualaikum grade 6. Our second topic is thesaurs. Thesaurs consist of words in groups of synonyms and antonyms. It improves your vocabulary. We can use thesaurs to change its synonyms to express the meanings more accurately. How can we use thesaurs? Follow the given step. First one is select the word which you want to select synonyms or antonyms. Click review tab on the ribbon. Click thesaurs in proofing group. After this, a task pane appears on the right side of the window. Select the word which you want to replace. After selecting, click insert tab. When we click the insert tab, the selected text get placed. Now we are going to perform practically how can we use the thesaurs. Select the word, click review tab. In proofing group, click the thesaurs. These are the suggestions related to word. Click any one which you want to. After selecting the text, click insert. You can see that the change get inserted in your document. Drop cap. Drop cap is a large capital letter at the beginning of the paragraph in a newspaper or magazine. It makes your document or page more attractive. To create a drop cap letter, follow the given step. First one is click the paragraph and select the text which you want to drop. After this, click insert tab on the ribbon. Click drop cap from text group. After this, a menu appears. Click dropped. When you click the drop cap appears in your document. Now we are going to perform how can we use drop cap in our computer system. To apply drop cap, select the text. Click insert. From text group, click drop cap. Click dropped option. The first word is capital. This is known as dropped or drop cap. Next topic is inserting hyperlinks. And hyperlinks allows you to move quickly from one place to another or one page to another page, one document to another document quickly. How can we insert hyperlink in our document? Follow the given step. First one is select the text or word on which hyperlink is to be inserted, like this. After this, click the insert tab on the ribbon. In links group, click the hyperlink. When we click the hyperlink, this page will appear on your computer screen. Click the option existing file or web page which you want to. After selecting the document, click OK. Click Ctrl+ OK to follow link as shown below, like this. In this way, you can move from one document to another document very quickly. Now we are going to perform how can we insert hyperlink in our document by practically. Select the text or word on which you want to insert hyperlink. After selecting the text, click insert tab. From links group, click hyperlink. This page will appear on your computer screen. Select the document from existing files which you want to set. Okay, Control plus. Okay, now you can see the hyperlink links in your screen. By using this, we can easily move from one document to another or from one page to another page very quickly. Last topic is how to apply column formatting in document. Column formatting means divide the text of your document into specified number of columns. To formatting column, follow the given step. First one is select the text you want to format in columns like this. After this, click page layout tab on the ribbon. Click columns from page setup group. When you click the columns, this pane will appear on your screen. Select the column format which you want to set. This is your document after column formatting. Now we are going to perform practically how can we apply column formatting in a document. To apply column formatting, select the text of your document. Click page layout tab on the ribbon. From page setup group, click columns. Select the column which you want to apply to your document.